Sustainability is especially critical for us in the outdoor industry because our playgrounds on this planet heavily depend on snow, water, trails, seasons. And so, doing things to protect our playgrounds are incredibly important to this multi-billion-dollar industry that we're all a part of. However, these other
Overall, sustainability now is maybe one of the number one factors for people buying products. So we try to point out the fact that using the right coatings can also really improve not only the performance of the product, but the sustainability of the product, and do this in the right way without damaging the environment. Same thing with dye stuffs and the basic materials to start this out of. So it's been a long 30, 40 years worth of watching the outdoor industry change from not so interested in sustainability and the environment to being highly focused on sustainability and the environment. And we can only say that this is a great direction and something that should be continued and supported, and hopefully people will be willing to pay a little bit more to make sure that they keep their environment that they're going out to play in safe also.
To add to Greg's point of hopefully people being able to spend a little bit more money for sustainable products, that is actually true. There's a study that came out that the age ranges of 22 to 45-year-olds, 57% of them are willing to pay more for a sustainable product. In the US, that's roughly 155 million people willing to pay more for a sustainable product. And going off that last point, numerous studies have shown that despite the added premium of sustainable products, the market has actually grown 7 times more sales than conventionally marketed products. That just goes to show that people are willing to pay more for a sustainable product, knowing that it's actually trying to do something to benefit the environment and also focus on what we're doing based off of climate change. And in the last 4 years, sustainably marketed products have gained control of about 55% of the market share. In the last year, based off of COVID-19 and the research showing the impact it has based off of global warming, it has actually risen to 84% of the market share that sustainable products have over conventional products. Sustainability is an ever so growing market, and it will only continue to grow from the reduction of uses of fossil fuels, because the uses of fossil fuels release air pollution that is actually shown to have a very harmful effect on us in ways of health problems and then also death. And it actually, at that same token, fossil fuels have actually gotten 2 times more expensive to use than in past. And from that same research, they took a cost benefit analysis, and it showed that if we stopped using fossil fuels literally right now, we would add $700 billion a year to our US economy. $700 billion if we stop using fossil fuels.
Hi, I'm Paul Delory for Polycor. Over a year ago, we started sending out video asking company leaders to purchase environmental fabrics and coatings for the products they were making. Today, new studies show that over twice the amount of death and illness that had been attributed to air pollution is what's really happening now. Legacy companies like Big Oil are not interested in making a change. The oil craziness now continues with the clearing of the way for drilling in Alaska's Arctic Wildlife Refuge. So if you're interested in doing the right thing for our environment and our planet, see us today at Polycor Solutions. We need to make a difference.
To learn more, visit us at polycoresolutions.com or email us at contact@polycoresolutions.com.